Hi guys, Chris from Car Sound Security. We've got an Audi A7 2015 here today. Okay, so what we've done, we've installed Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on the factory screen, also with a reversing camera. This car obviously came with the standard RMC unit, so it's the flip out screen, the one that comes up. A lot of people have it on the A8 as well. Okay, so you can see from there, there's the reversing camera just there, nice and neat, tucked away. If you actually stand at a car level, you don't even notice the camera's there. Obviously when you engage reverse gear, that's when it cocomes on. When you take it out of reverse gear, it then comes off. There's the Apple CarPlay, just there on the factory screen. So you can still use your normal controller there to go through the menu, as you can see just there. Now your factory system still works fine, okay? So all you do, hit the navigation button there, and then it goes over to the factory system. So for example, if you go to radio, you've got your radio stations. Okay, if you hold it down, it's about 3 to 4 seconds. Hold it down, and then flicks back over to Apple CarPlay, or in some scenarios Android also if you're using Android. Okay, so let me show you the reverse gear. So me selecting reverse gear, back onto the factory screen, and you see it's got all the bendy lines and guidance, okay, and you still got your front and rear sensors there as a guide. Okay, so the car only came with front and rear sensors, no camera, added that on today, guys. Take it out of reverse, straight back over to Apple CarPlay. Now, if you need Apple CarPlay done on your car, guys, give us a call on 008 554 5554, okay, or email us at info@carsoundsecurity.com, or come and visit us at Gants Hill, Ilford. We're open Monday to Saturday 9 till 6, and we can then obviously give you a quote on what it costs to get it done on your car. Alright, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and reversing camera. Okay, so we can do it on quite a few cars, not just Audi. Obviously we can do it on Mercedes, BMW, we can do it on various cars, guys. Alright, so give us a call. Thanks for watching.